Can everybody see it? See it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, write it fast, please.
The students who are new, they can see this video, means the previous session video on the YouTube channel. I uploaded and I will share the link with you. Day before of this day, ma'am conduct the first session of this portion. You can see from there.
Let me know once you finish writing, okay?
Kalyan, don't annotate.
Ma'am, please read rule number 7. I'm done.
Okay, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, going on to the 9th rule. Okay, units of counting after numbers always take singular form. Okay, if you want the detailed explanation, it's there. I'm just giving you to simply to have a quick reference. Okay, when you look through your note, you should have a quick reference. If you want the detailed explanation, you already have it in your text. So look here. Units of counting after numbers always take singular form. Now, what do you mean by this units of counting? Okay, if you want a count of 12 bananas, what will you say? What will you say?
1 dozen.
Are you there in class today?
1 dozen banana.
Are you there?
1 dozen.
Are you Aryan?
1 dozen banana.
Okay, 1 dozen banana. Fine. So dozen is a count of how many numbers, beta?
12.
12.
12.
Now, a count of 2 is called?
12.
Pair or twice.
Okay,
Right.
count of 12 is dozen. A count of 2 is pair. So this is
Pair,
called
pair.
counting. Now, this counting words ke saath, we will never use S. Dozens. See, we will use dozens, but what is the special unit of counting after numbers? If you're using number and then that collective unit form, we will never say 10 pairs, 5 dozens, ऐसे नहीं बोलते. Okay, we will say 10 pair, 5 dozen. Okay, we usually say it, so we are so used in saying that I have bought 10 dozens of banana. No, 10 dozen of banana. All right, that is rule number 9. Coming on to rule number 10, compound word not used in plural. 2-year diploma. I am doing a 2-year diploma course, not 2 years diploma course. Okay, 2 years diploma course. There are more examples in there. Okay, if you see through the text, you have more example. He ran a 5-mile race, not 5 miles race. Okay, I have got a 100 rupee note, not a 100 rupees note. Okay, so this is how it is. 2-year diploma. I have done a 2-year diploma, not 2 years diploma. So compound words will not be used in plural. Keep that in mind. Going on to the next rule, nouns used only in plural. Now, there are a list of nouns which will only be said in plural. For example, scissors. We will never say scissor. We will always say scissors. We will say jeans, the jeans that you're wearing. It's jeans, it's not jean. Okay, gene bolte hai to GENE, biology gene we will think about. So jeans is always jeans, scissors. Now spectacles, we will always say spectacles, and it always takes a plural form. For example, if you want to make a sentence, if you're making a sentence with scissors or spectacles or jeans, the verb should be always are, have. I mean the plural verbs, not is, are. Okay, we will never use the singular verb. We will always use the plural verb like have, are, etc. Okay, so these are just 3 more rules adding up. Yesterday we have learned 5. Today we have just come till 11. After this, I'll have a cross check how many of you identified it, how many of you understood it. I'll ask you, I'll give you exercise so that you can confirm and clarify. Okay, so before giving this for writing, I want you all to have, by the end of the class, if you will not get time, I will forget to tell you. I want you to do a homework from today. That is, everybody has this Pathfinder. Do you have your text with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Pathfinder, I'm talking to the old students,
ma'am.
yes. So you need to go to page number 435. Everybody, please take 435. Fast. Let me see whether you are taking or not. Pathfinder, page number 435.
Ma'am, new students not have that book, ma'am, with them.
Yeah, that's okay. I told already. They can just listen.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyways, they are sitting for a demo class. I'm talking to the old students. Yeah, 435, please take it, everyone. Aditya
Take, ma'am.
Mahadik, where is your text? Okay. Vaibhav, where are you? Vedant Katkar. Take your text, beta. And remember, from tomorrow, the students who are turning off their videos purposely, I will remove them from the class and they will not get to attend the class anymore. Because there is no point in switching off your video and doing something else and sitting in my class. I will strictly not. Pratham, where is your text, beta? Have you taken your text, Pratham? Okay, fine. So all those who have taken the text, this is something that you have to do as an assignment or a homework every day. Otherwise, it will not get finished. Because this is something called vocabulary learning. Every day you need to learn at least 10 vocabulary. Okay, Vaibhav, stop eating your fingers. Even after reaching home, you're eating fingers. Okay, so every day 10 words you need to learn. Page number 435, you can see in the alphabetical order they have given words. You need to learn every day 10 words. Tanishk, don't show me that page, you have to learn it. Okay, so aback, abandon, abase, abashed, abate, abbreviate, abdicate. See, I'm not saying that you need to learn everything with A. Those who want to learn one word from Aditya Suryavanshi, stop yawning and listen to what I'm saying. If you want to say 2 words with A, 2 words from B, 2 words from C, okay, learn it. But for sure, you need to learn it. Okay, Elroy? Every day, this is an assignment.
Yep.
Without learning vocabulary, one set of your questions in the NDA exam is totally dependent on vocabulary. So you have to learn it without fail. So this is just a heads up I'm giving. Every day we need to learn. So that when we finish the Spotifying errors chapters and reach the vocabulary, by the time you will be well advanced with this vocabulary set. Okay, so remember, this is an assignment every day, 10 words. This is an assignment. Take your notebook, write the chapter name vocabulary, which are the 10 words that you are learning. Write it every day before going to bed. Learn that 10 words. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today Digvijay is there. Is this the Digvijay, the old Digvijay, or the new student?
Yes, ma'am.
Old Digvijay, yeah? Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Digvijay, are you listening? No response. Fine. All right. So those who have listened to it, please do it. So based on these 11 rules, I'm going to give you an exercise for today. So that let me check how many of you have understood it. So please write it down fast.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Who's that?
Digvijay.
Yes. Hello, beta. Digvijay, did you get to hear what I say?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I just wanted to check it. Yesterday you were not there in the class, no?
Yes.
Take it down fast. Tanishk, how long will it take you to start writing? Vedant Katka, have you finished writing? Just a second. Some people are looking as if it's not clear. So I'll do this again. Okay. Now write it fast.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, hello, ma'am. Can you please read the 11th sentence, please?
What, beta? Somebody said something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please read the 11th sentence?
Yes.
Examples.
Nouns used only in plural. Scissors are, spectacles are, jeans are. Like that.
Thanks, ma'am.
Okay, hope everybody must have done that. Here you go with your exercise. Based on today's class, this is the short exercise for you. So this is the exact way you will get it in your NDA exam as well. Okay, based on today's 4 to 5 rules. Okay, these 4 questions are framed. Take it down fast, everyone. And today you have, for those who were not present yesterday, this is how it will come for your exam. The given question is divided into A, B, C. Today I have put D. The D part is always no error. So you need to pick out the correct option. Which option has an error? The given sentence में 4 options है. इनमें एक option में एक error है तो वो option निकालना है. If you cannot find any error, you should write the option number D, no error. Okay. So no error is option number D. So that second question, no error ke, second question I haven't mentioned A, B, C, D that I have missed. Sorry, please do that. The baby laughed is A. When it's so is B. The mother is C. No error is D. All right. So please write your answer. So your answer will have only options. Either A, B, C, D, S, A. Write it fast. Anybody has any doubts? You can ask me. Not the answers, any doubts in how to write it. Where is Aryan? Aryan Ingle? Digvijay? Rahul? Nobody is responding. Has everybody left the class?
Yes.
Roshan?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ है ना उधर. I didn't see anybody responding. That's why. Take all these notes, exercises, everything properly in your notebook. Those who are sitting without writing anything. Rahul, are you writing something? Rahul? Rahul, where are you? No video, no audio. Aditya Suryavanshi, have you written beta? Okay.
Okay, you are not small kids to scratch over what has been screen shared. I have just changed the annotate settings now, but it is normal courtesy and decency not to scratch on what is shared on the screen. Okay, I'm not dealing with primary kids. All right, so whoever did it, shame on you.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. All right, beta. Can somebody read the answers? Elroy, can you give me your answers? If you're done.
Yes, ma'am. First one is A.
First one, which option?
A option.
B.
Ma'am, first B.
First B. Okay, second. You didn't write B. We had a big team because had is common for past or that is, and they are divided. Actually, it has to be,
It.
it is
Yes.
divided. It is divided into 4 teams. They are, we will not use for a team. We have used the rule, collective noun team है उधर, collective noun team के लिए, they are will never come. It is divided into 4 teams. So the error is in B option. The first answer is B. How many of you got it right? First answer B. Raise your hands. Okay, only 2 people. Okay, fine. Chandrasekhar, Tanishk, Aditya, Ritesh, Pratham. Very good. Good job. Second, Udhav, can you say the second one, beta?
Option D.
Very good. Option D, no error. The baby laughed when it saw the mother. Okay, so baby hai to it, neuter gender should come. Option D, no error is the answer. How many of you got it right? Option Abhishek, Chandrasekhar. Fine, very good. Good job. Next. Vaibhav, can you say the next answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Third answer. Likha beta.
Yes.
Bolo. Which option is the answer?
No error. D.
No. Your answer is wrong. My spectacles. Spectacles is always plural.
R.
Plural के साथ which auxiliary verb should come beta? Are. My spectacles are lost. It's not is.
Yes, ma'am.
My spectacles, I told you jeans, spectacles, these are all always used in plural. Plural ke saath which verb should come? Are. So,
Are.
but in the question it's given is. So option B is wrong. Understood, Vaibhav?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many of you got it right? Okay. Vedant, Roshan, Abhishek, Chandrasekhar, Elroy, Tanish, good job. Last answer. Chandrasekhar, can you say the last answer, beta?
Ma'am, no error.
He bought 2 pairs of cats. No error?
Ma'am,
No
B.
error hai kya? No. Because I told you whenever you represent dozen, pairs, iske pehle numbers hai to we will never use S with that. So 2 pair is the correct answer. So 2 pairs, 12 dozens nahi ho sakta hai. Okay, he bought 2 pair of cats. So B is the correct answer. How many of you got it right? Ritesh, Elroy, Roshan, Tanishk, Vedant, Pratham. Fine, good job. So I think those who have got all four correct. Only those who have got all 4 correct. Raise your hands. Roshan alone. Okay, Tanishk, Abhishek, Aditya Suryavanshi, very good. Okay, that's it. Our time for today is over. So don't forget your homeworks. Okay, don't forget your homeworks, and also please attend the class on time and go through this again. Then only you will be clearly understanding it. Okay, so bye for now. Hope you
Bye,
have
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
time. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.
And
Bye.
chocolate.
Chocolate, yes, chocolate I will give you when
Chocolate,
you free. Okay, chocolate. Definitely will see you on May, June or something, and I'll definitely give you chocolate. Bye everyone. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.